There you go, little plants. Grow big and strong.
Hey, Nova! Watching you gardening gives me an idea.
What kind of idea?
What if we recreate this plant growth in Scratch? Make it grow super fast like magic!
Digital plants that grow in seconds? Challenge accepted. Let's do it! Hold on. Before we jump in, try solving this one.
First things first. What does every plant need before it can grow?
Soil? Water? Sunshine?
In Scratch, it needs costumes. We need to show each growth stage. Seed, sprout, small plant, medium plant, full plant, flowering plant.
Oh, so it's like having different outfits for different ages.
This is our when green flag clicked block. This block is like the gardener saying, time to start growing. Next comes hide. This block makes our sprite invisible.
But why would we want to hide our plant?
Think about real seeds, Nova. Where do they start growing?
Underground! In the soil, where you can't see them at first.
Perfect! This high block is like burying our seed underground before it's ready to sprout. Like a seed under the soil.
Now, go to the variables category and create a new variable called growth stage. Then drag in the set growth stage to 0 block.
So this keeps track of what stage our plant is in. 0 means just a baby seed.
Exactly. Next, from the look section again, add set size to 50%.
Shrinking it down. Just like a tiny seed before it grows big.
Now, grab the go to x, 0, y, -100 block from the motion category.
That places the plant near the bottom of the screen. The ground, of course.
Add a little pause so the magic doesn't happen too fast. From control, drag in wait 1 second.
Got it. Now the seed waits for its moment before popping up.
Now, head back to looks and grab show, place it next.
Boom! Our seed appears above ground and says, I'm ready to grow!
Now, let's make it grow. It's time to loop the growth stages. From control, drag the forever loop into the coding area.
So this keeps checking if the plant should grow.
Inside that loop, grab an if-then block from control. Now from operators, grab less than and put it into the ifs condition spot. Then, drag in your growth stage variable and type 5 on the right.
This means if growth stage is less than 5, grow!
Now inside that, add change growth stage by 1 from variables. Then we'll add different actions depending on the stage. Costume switching by stage.
Let's say growth stage equals 1. What should happen?
From control, get another if-then block. From operators, grab equals and check if growth stage equals 1. Inside that, from looks, add switch costume to seed. Then add wait 2 seconds.
Perfect! That's our seed stage!
Repeat that setup for each stage. Stage 2, switch to sprout. Move up with change Y by 10. Stage 3, switch to small plant. Change Y by 15 and size by 20. Stage 4, switch to medium plant. Change Y by 20 and size by 30. Stage 5, switch to full plant. Change Y by 25 and size by 40. Then wait and switch to flowering plant.
So each stage has its own costume, grows taller, and gets bigger. Like leveling up!
Exactly. And we're using variables to track the stage, loops to repeat, and costumes to show the magic.
This is amazing! I'm literally growing a digital garden, step by step, just like in the Forest of Code. You did it, Nova!
Like, share, and subscribe to Nova Scratch Lab. Keep growing your coding skills, Supercoders!